So, can you guys hear like the fan going on right now? My house, the AC is broken and it's kind of hot in here. And you got the spotlights, you know, all up in my face. You know, just, it's too hot. Alright, anyways. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if it looks like I am recording, well, not recording, but if it looks like I'm wearing the same outfit and has the same makeup, it's literally because I'm like kind of dividing it up and making different videos in one day. So I just completed like this makeup look, and then I got to do my hair to make the intro and outro for that makeup look that I just did right now, which is the Philadelphia Eagles makeup look. So, you know, for football, of course. But I figured for my hair, I'll make it like a separate video. So here we are doing our hair for the football game. Now, if you are not a subscriber, then go ahead and click subscribe down below. Join the Kwak fam, why not? And of course, tap on the notification bell. I'm actually saving up some products to do some type of notification bell squad giveaway. It might be like a gift card, but the products I have saved up right now are mainly beauty products. But I do know a couple of my viewers are not really into beauty, but they're still supporting me, which is freaking awesome. So thank you so much. Yeah, so if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe down below. And tap on that bell. And of course, hopefully you guys like this video enough to give it a thumbs up, a big like, please. Thank you. Alright, let's start. So my hair is up in a bun because I was doing my makeup. So let's just take that all down. And I cannot believe football season is here. Time flies so much, and that means I'm just getting older. I'm just getting older. They say time flies quickly when you get older, and in my opinion, it's not because it flies quickly because time really flies quickly. It's because when you get older, you're more aware of time. So therefore, it feels like it's flying by quick. Yeah. Anyways, ooh, look at my highlight. Glow, 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 glow. All right. So just put your hair down and fluff up your hair a little bit, and that's it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but I figured I'm gonna just keep it simple, nothing too fancy, cause it is a football game, and you don't want to be like bombarded with like, you know, just not bombarded, but like worried about your hair getting all messed up or whatever, cause it looks too fancy. So something simple and yet still looks elegant, but it still looks, you know, casual, looks good, all that stuff. We're straightening our hair. All right. So for my hair straightening tool, I'm using the what is this called? PYT HerStyler. It's really old, so it's not like new or anything, but it works, so I'm using it. So all I'm doing is just straightening my hair. So taking little sections, clamping it down, and just sliding it down to the end. Alright. Alright guys, here we go. The most easiest hair tutorial out there probably. So all I did was just straighten my hair. It's like really simple, really quick, as you guys can tell. I kind of like fast forward it because it's kind of repetitive. So I feel like straightening your hair is probably like one of the most easiest way to glam up and also look casual at the same time. So looks good. Looks good. Alright, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you do like videos like this, short, quick, simple videos, go ahead and click that like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and tap on the notification bell. And notification bell squad giveaway coming up. Don't forget, you have to click subscribe. There will be a list of rules that I want you to follow. It's not just going to be like a random giveaway, you know, like, oh, I click subscribe and I'm going to unsubscribe. No, there's going to be rules because all this stuff I'm buying is with my own money. So, yeah. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. And, go Eagles.